Image editing is now open source. Black Forest Labs just released an open weights image editing model comparable in performance to proprietary models. So it looks like they receive Flux point 1 context. Hosted APIs are also available. I use file and replicate. Flooding new startups. Virtual try-on is really cool. I think it was Google. Yeah, Google is coming out with something I'm about to talk about here later. So that was a quick article I saw. And then also Google is releasing Gemma 3N, which brings powerful multimodal AI capabilities to edge devices. DeepMind. I talked about DeepMind in my previous video. I think it was yesterday. Not too much to talk about here. Right here, this is it. So try on looks and discover your style with Doppel. So links will be in the description below. You can watch this video. We're introducing Doppel, a new experimental app from Google Labs to help you visualize how an outfit might look on you and explore your style. Doppel's virtual try-on makes it fun and easy to see any outfit on a digital animated version of yourself. That's going to be sweet. So in May, Google Shopping announced the ability to virtually try on billions of clothing items on yourself just by uploading a photo. So Doppel builds these capabilities, bringing additional experimental features, including the ability to use photos or screenshots to try on outfits whenever inspiration strikes. So they bring your looks to life with AI generated videos. Just upload a picture of an outfit and Doppel does the rest. This is going to be interesting. At least for someone like me, a guy. This could up my drip. Damn. I'm going to keep that in there. I'm going to try not to edit every weird thing out. So with Doppel, you can try on any look. See an outfit you like from a friend, local thrift shop, okay. So helps you explore your, see, this is going to help me explore my style. Oh, it's an app? Done. I'm downloading it real quick. Boom. Am I going to use it? Yes. All right, next article is Google is improving Ask Photos and bringing more Google Photos users. Actually, I just butchered that, but it's okay. We love seeing how you're using Ask Photos in early access, like asking suggest photos that would make great phone backgrounds, or what did I eat on my trip to Barcelona? I wish I could say that. Not yet. Ask Photos uses Gemini models to answer complex queries like these, but we've also heard your feedback that it should return more photos faster for simple searches like beach or dogs. To address this, we're bringing the best of photos classic search feature. Why wouldn't they have this at all? So maybe I do use Google Photos. I don't know. I'd have to look. But if it's Apple Photos, they screwed up that. Yeah, I definitely use Apple Photos. They screwed that up. So maybe it's time for me to switch to Google Photos. Background to find the most relevant photos or information to more complex queries. With these improvements, Ask Photos is opening up beyond early access and starting to roll out to more eligible users in the US. Keep the feedback coming. And we have Xiaomi launches its first AI glasses. I need to know how to say that. Xiaomi. Alrighty. Xiaomi launches its first AI glasses with 2K video recording, voice assistant. Learn how to talk. Voice assistant and a $19.99 yuan price tag. So Xiaomi has entered the AI eyewear space with launch of its first smart glasses, aptly named Xiaomi's AI glasses. It is a lightweight wearable designed to blend camera, AI interaction, and mobile device integration into a pair of 40-gram glasses. The glasses come with a first-person camera, capable of 2K video, recording at 30 fps. Dang, this is cool. I don't even have the Meta glasses. So X says the camera supports electronic image stabilization and can be triggered either by voice, okay, or physical camera button on the temple. You can use the glasses to live stream, video call, and hands-free photography, assuming you're okay with any orange privacy light blinking during capture. Fine. X's first glasses look surprisingly normal. Yeah, these are going to be the future as far as how we take in content. So it's already happening. But not a lot of people have them. Even someone like me that's into AI, I've used the Meta glasses, but I don't have a pair of my own, which I need to get. It also offers 4 levels of brightness or brightness adjustment. 70,000 head scans. So 21 hours. I think that's what it says. 10 length. Wait, this is third-party apps edition. Oh, okay. So X's AI glasses retail at $275 with it. This is cheaper than the Meta glasses. The glasses also come with features that aren't fully functional yet. This is going to be cool. Launches. They just launched it too. Well, obviously. Ooh, we got a YouTube blog. 2 new ways YouTube is using AI to bring you more of what you love. I need this. Today we're introducing 2 AI updates to help you dive deeper, learn faster, and find what you're looking for more easily on YouTube. Find and discover more when you search. So when introducing a new AI-powered search results carousel to your suggest videos and topic descriptions by creators across YouTube. Imagine searching for best beaches in Hawaii. You could see an AI-generated carousel highlighting clips from videos showcasing the best snorkel spots and volcanic beaches, complete with descriptions and more videos to plan your ideal day. Okay, so what that sounds is AI-generated. Dang, YouTube is going to be using AI-generated stuff about the popular beaches, and I wonder how you as a creator can show up for that as far as like AI SEO. That's something that I can look into. So premium members, I am a premium member for YouTube, so no ads. Can try it out now on searches related to shopping, travel, or things to do in specific place. Let's go ahead and try it out, guys and girls and everyone. Let's go with best beaches in Florida. Oh my gosh, here it is. No, I thought that was AI for a second. Is it? I don't know why didn't it do anything? Premium members in the US can try it out now on searches related to shopping, travel, or things to do in a specific place. Best beaches in, I don't know, Orlando, Florida? That's pretty specific. I'm not seeing any of the AI stuff. So maybe this just came out today, so I don't know. Maybe I need to restart my YouTube, but you guys get the point and whatever. What was the second one? Did I get to it? No, testing conversational AI with more users. So in the coming days, our conversational AI tool will be expanding to some non-premium users. I don't even use this. Okay, this is what, let's,
As a YouTube Premium member, you get early access to AI features on YouTube. YouTube has made it simpler to find what you're looking for. When you search for queries related to
whoa.
places or things to do.
Okay, you guys get the gist of that. The next one, so Suno acquires Wavetool to court pro musicians to its creative suite. So if you guys don't know what Suno is, it is a Suno.ai. It's a website that allows you to, or yeah, create music just from prompts. Literally, type any idea you have, cowboy and his boots. And then it's going to play something like this that's copyright free. And I have an account, but just go to suno.com. It's free too, to a certain degree with credits. Okay, so let's get into this. I actually don't know too much about that creative suite. A music company, Suno, recently acquired Wavetool, a browser-based digital audio workstation. Through this deal, Suno has brought Wavetool's advanced editing capabilities and core team into the company, where they will now hold product and engineering leadership roles. This news comes after a busy month for Suno. Yeah, it's been about a couple months since I've really been used Suno, so obviously, especially in the AI space, stuff is just going. They have a competitor, Udio. We're in talks with 3 major music companies. We're finding that many of Suno's early adopters are professional songwriters and producers who are seeing immense value in integrating AI into their creative process. See, that is so cool just because music is an art, and sometimes I know I'm not a musician, but it's got to be hard to come up with new things, and AI definitely helps with that. Once we came to understand how Suno operates and how aligned the Suno team is with our vision for AI and the music creation process, we knew joining forces was the right move. Sam Watkins. AI, you love it. Last article for the day is, I think that was it. Awesome. So that's the news for June 26th, and that is going to be it, AI pros. I'll see you in the next one.